My name's Dennis Donaghy. I have a 1932 Buick. It's a 5-winded coupe, Victoria. I've had it for going on 10 years now. It's been a good project for me. When I retired, I needed something to do, so this was it. When I bought it at a good, reasonable price. Very cheap, actually. When I first got the car, it wasn't running. I had to drag it home. It didn't take too long to get it running. About a day and a half. I put new points, condenser, rotor, spark plugs, and cleaned out the fuel system, dropped the tank, cleaned that out, put it back up. And I pulled the cylinder head off, and I sent the head out, and I had all new valves, intake, exhaust. Had the seats replaced, had the valve guides replaced, had the cylinder head shaved. I put a lot of work into it. The engine's been redone, new pistons, been punched out 30 over. Cylinder head's been all redone. Babbitt bearings on the bottom. I just thought it was a great looking car. And the paint didn't look like it does now when I first got it. A lot of work into getting this paint to come back up the way it is.